So, me and Jen went to the dollar store and we got stuff with my hair. Okay, so we got these air horns.
Wait, there's someone that you roll down your window.
We come at random pedestrians and this is our video doing it. Okay, Jen, do you want to man the camera? I don't think it's very funny.
Probably not, since you're a driver. I don't know, I can't tell. Oh, it's a woman and she looks like she could beat us up. Don't do it until we get past.
I don't want to do it at all.
Why not?
Okay, we have to have our pistons are spraying randomly.
How come yours doesn't work that well?
Maybe I'm just not doing it right.
I'll do it when there's pedestrians if you don't want to.
I want to do it, it's just mine doesn't work that well.
I know, so sad.
I don't want to do that.
Okay, no, not that, I know. How about let's not do it when there's like...
When they have weapons.
What? Well, that lady on the bike didn't really have a weapon. She just looked like she could beat us up.
I totally could go.
This is like totally like random parts of your car and us talking, not even like a video.
If you can hear us, it's what makes it. If you can hear this. I just want to go like that.
No, because then it's gonna like attack me and I'll probably like chuck your camera out the window.
And that would kill you.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Once they dropped it in Shopko. There's a small child who got one that hurt.
Well, there's an adult with them, so I'm not gonna do it. I don't think exactly. So what is she gonna do now?
Have you seen Nola? We passed by. No, don't. Think of this stuff. Have you seen Nola?
Dude, call Nola and tell him to come outside and be like.
No.
Aw.
No.
I'm still gonna do it at your house though. Unless your parents are outside, then I'm not going to.
Oh, is your motorcyclist telling us pedestrian?
Yeah, because they can still hear you.
Oh, something smells.
I think it's the air horn shit. Because yours like sprays funky white crap when you do it.
That's what she said.
Oh god! Ready? That's exciting. I was just like, it was like
I can't use yours like, whatever.
It's fun time. If people have their windows open and we're driving really fast past them, we can do it. Except for they might crash, so let's not do that.
Is this illegal?
Because when I did it at first, like, I dropped it because I was so afraid, so I don't know.
Telling me as a wife just like looking around. Okay. She whipped herself in the ass. This is like the best invention ever. We're gonna do it to everyone we pick up who comes in the car. This is like a pointless video, but it's like making my day.
Well, if Fort sucks, this rocked.
Mine sucks!
Yours is like an immature one. Mine's totally fully grown. Ah, you know what that's made me think of?
What?
Never mind, it's too dirty to put on video.
Say it. That makes it more fun.
Okay, like... Okay, I can't word it right, so I'm gonna sound like a retard if I say it on video. But like... It doesn't work.
I don't want to do it at the same time.
Okay, once you like go down, let's see. Hold on, look at the little pin. See the little pimpin' stud. Ready? Oh, I don't want to because I'm gonna do it in your ear if I do it, and I don't want to do that.
Sounds like the perfect people.
I know, right? Here, I'll tell Chris that we're gonna come and pick him up, and then
right now.
Yeah, and then we can do it at him.
Do it at him. Alright, so stop the video until he picks people up.